So usually, if you're in class, we would make a flip book of slope and rate of change, all of activity 9. But we're going to take a few notes instead of creating a flip book. So just a reminder that slope if we're on a graph, it's your rise divided by your run. Or if we're thinking about the slope formula, it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Kind of like the amount of incline or decline of a line, or the steepness of a line. If it helps you, remember, like a stair step. Your vertical change is your rise. Your horizontal change is your run. So draw on the stair if that helps you. Okay. Now let's calculate the slope given 2 points. So if we're given 2 points, let's do -4, 1 and 6, 3. Now remember our formula is y2 minus y1, so it might help us to label these points first. X, y, x comes first just like the alphabet. X, y, this is our first point, this is our second point. Okay, so y2 minus y1. So it's going to be 3 minus 1, which is what? 2 over, and then we're doing the 6 minus -4. You can plug this straight into your calculator, or remember that 2 negatives make a positive. So 6 minus -4 is 6 plus 4, which is 10. And we always need to reduce or simplify our slope if possible. So this is 1 over 5, and that's in simplest form. All right. Now remember, rate of change is another way to refer to slope. Okay, especially when we're talking about a real life example. So let's do miles and cost. This is our x and this is our y. And let's go 0, 2, 3, 0, 6, 9. So let's figure out what our rate of change is, or our slope is, from this table. So what are we changing by here? So our y2 minus our y1. So 6 minus 0 is 6 divided by, let's figure out our change in x, our change in miles. So from here to here, our second one, which is 2, minus the first one, which is 0. 2 minus 0 is 2. Let's reduce or simplify. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So here I went up 6 over 2, which simplifies to 3. So my rate of change, or my slope, is 3. All right, now I'm going to try to draw a circle. We've talked a little bit in class about Mr. Slope Dude, and you can Google him on YouTube, Mr. Slope Dude Skiing, if you would like. I'm going to start out by drawing Mr. Slope Dude's eyebrows. This first slope is positive. This second slope is negative. Then here's his nose. And we know that this slope is undefined. So here's my U. A line that has this kind of slope is 0. So let's give him some dimples here of zeros. And there's what Mr. Slope Dude looks like. Positive slope, negative slope, an undefined slope, and a 0 slope. Okay. Or if you remember his skiing adventures, okay, this is positive, negative, this is 0 fun, and if we're falling, it's undefined. So these 4 types of slope will be on your quiz.